Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I am in the kitchen with my mother today. Ma, say hello to everybody.
Ciao a tutti, voglio bene a tutti. I just love everybody.
Okay, Ma, don't hit me.
No, not yet. No.
Okay. And what are you going to make today?
Sausage ragu.
My mother makes the best quick and easy sausage ragu ever.
Ever.
I love it. It's one of her best easy dishes. And I'm going to show you guys how to make it because this is one of those meat sauces that doesn't have to cook forever. Ange doesn't like to do things that take a long time.
No, that ragu was...
If you haven't noticed, she kind of breezes her way through most of her recipes. So this one is no different, but it's just as delicious as anything that cooks for 5 hours or whatever. So, Ma, what are we going to do first? What are the ingredients? Tell everybody what's in this.
Sausage.
Remove from the casing. We took it out.
Of course. And then we have onions with celery. You know, you always
and
put
carrots.
Carrots, celery. You put it everywhere. It's good, so tasty. And of course, we have the wine because the sausage needs to get drunk.
Yeah. The sausage needs to get drunk.
Yes, Rossella.
Okay.
It's more tasty. You know, drunk people have
A
more fun. Yeah.
We know.
And of course, we have the garlic.
Garlic is essential.
And then at the end, the basil. Of
Basil.
course, you know, the sauce.
Yeah, and we have some cherry tomatoes. You can
Yes.
use crushed tomatoes, you can use passata, you can use tomato puree, anything you want.
Yeah.
But we have some cherry tomatoes in a can from Italy that are fantastic. And for pasta, we're going to use some tagliatelle.
Of course.
I like a nice wide noodle
Yes.
and like wide pasta.
Delicioso.
All right,
Okay,
let's get
let's start.
started. All right,
The
Ma, get the
oil.
oil. Get the oil. Ma.
oil. Oh, look. Gold.
Ooh.
Look at the color. So beautiful.
So we just want to get this nice and hot.
Yes. Once it's hot and ready.
Okay, Abbas.
Okay. Okay. Now we could
Just
put.
wait.
Yeah. Just wait until it gets steamy hot. It has to be very hot. Okay.
Okay, put it in.
Ready. Bada boom.
Okay,
See?
now you want to let this get nice and soft, the carrots,
Yeah.
onions, and celery.
Yeah. See?
So give it about 5 minutes.
Oh, I love those noises, like music.
The sizzle?
Oh, yes.
Who doesn't like a good sizzle?
Oh, and then the aroma, the smell. Oh, mamma mia. So good. Better than Chanel No. 5, the perfume. Yeah, nothing beats that. Okay. But, you know, always be around the stove when you're cooking. You know, don't abandon the stove. I used to do that and, you know, burn things. I don't do that anymore.
You would get on the phone, you would make phone calls,
No. Always concentrate.
walk away.
Yeah. Once, just because I had a fight with somebody while I was cooking, I burned everything, capisci? And I blame the person, of course.
Wow.
You don't upset a person that's cooking.
No.
That's bad.
Well, why do you have to fight while you're cooking?
Because people call me, you know. Now I don't answer the phone. Cooking is something
Yeah, this was
serious.
before caller ID.
Yes. Oh,
Remember,
mamma mia.
Ma, when you used to pick up the phone, you didn't know who it was
Oh, mamma mia.
when people called. Remember that?
Yeah. I couldn't make up excuses. You know? Now, someone that I don't like calls me, I just don't answer. Capisci?
Yeah, I know. Sometimes you make me answer.
Yeah. Oh, no.
What am I, your secretary?
No, my mother, you know. Ma, answer that phone call.
She
I don't want to
throws
see
her
that
phone
person.
at you and said, "Here, answer this. It's somebody I don't want to talk to."
Eh. Okay, Ma, you don't have to answer the phone today. Don't worry, another
So
day.
Nonna's
Ma.
offset,
Yeah.
onset but offset.
Yeah, okay.
Nonna, stiamo a fuscio.
Tacete. Now it's time for the garlic.
Yeah, we don't put it in before because we don't want it to burn. Nobody likes burnt garlic.
No, absolutely.
And you want to give this
Oh.
just a minute.
Yeah.
All right, so
Ready.
now we have our pork sausage that we took out of the casing.
Yes.
So you could do this with beef, with the veal pork and beef, with the mix, but when she does it with sausage, it's so good.
Oh, of course.
Okay.
So tasty.
Let's go for it, Mom.
Go.
Ooh.
Great. Break it up into little pieces. And it's important that the sausage cooks well. Good. There you go.
Add a little bit of salt to everything.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Now we could put the wine now?
Oh, yes. Absolutely.
Okay, put the wine, Ma.
Okay, get drunk. Yeah.
And you want to cook until you don't smell alcohol anymore.
Oh,
Give
yes.
it about a minute
No,
or two.
absolutely. Never smell the alcohol. It's a terrible taste if you...
Okay, in go the tomatoes. Okay. These are so good. They're like canned cherry tomatoes.
The best. Because we added the tomatoes, so we added a little salt for the tomato. There you go.
No trouble.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to go through and kind of crush all the tomatoes.
So fun. So much fun to do that. Okay. And now we're going to turn down the heat and let it cook for half an hour. That's it.
Okay, we'll see you when we put it all together and we get to eat it. Because we're working
Can't
hard
wait.
over here.
I can't wait.
Gonna add some basil from Nonna's garden. Okay, so now we're throwing in our tagliatelle nests and we're gonna cook them till they're al dente.
Our sauce is beautiful now.
Oh, it looks so good.
Nice and thick and rich. Rossella.
Oh, it looks great, Ma.
Yes.
I'm gonna turn it up because we're gonna add the pasta to it now.
Oh, yes.
Look at these gorgeous tagliatelle. You can use any pasta, but
Yeah. The tagliatelle are great.
with this sauce, okay, Ma,
Ooh.
stir. Ooh. Okay. That looks so good. Oh, let me see, Ma. Let's really mix it. Oh my God. Ooh, 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 Ma, help.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Help, Ma.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow. That looks so delicious. I am starving right now. There's only one thing that can make this better.
What? Oh, yeah, of course. Always.
Okay, Ma, let's get our plates.
Ci vuole.
Come on, let's get our
Un
plates.
poco per me, un poco per te. Some for you and some for me.
So good.
Yes.
Okay, e l'altro.
E qui.
But I think you got more.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, but you know, come on.
That's not.
I always knew you loved my brother more.
No.
Okay. You ready?
Prontissima.
You gonna taste?
Yes.
Oof. This looks so, so good. Look at that. I need a bite of sausage
Yes.
in the perfect bite.
Just turn it.
Look at that. It's the perfect bite. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good. This is so good. This is the most gorgeous dish of pasta I have ever eaten. This is like Sunday dinner. Every night of the week, I could eat this and be happy.
Yeah.
Ma. This is the best thing that you make.
Come on.
This is it. This is it. This is the best thing that you make. Oof. All right, we're eating like a couple of gobblons over here. All right.
Yeah.
Ma, let's say goodbye.
And
Say goodbye,
it's
everybody.
easy to make and fast. You don't have to cook it for 5 hours.
We don't do any. My mother doesn't do anything for 5 hours.
No, absolutely.
Nothing. Except binge watch My Brilliant Friend. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
But,
that I'll do it.
so, guys, we will see you again next time. Leave Mama some comments. She loves comments. She makes me read them all to her. So, if you love my mother, Angela, tell her. Don't be shy. She leaves friends.
Yeah. Ciao a tutti.
Hello. Ciao. Ciao a tutti. Bye. We'll see you next time.
Mwah. Guarda.